Hey guys, what's up? Sorry I haven't posted in 2 weeks, and today we are gonna be doing like soap in the microwave, and according to a lot of other videos, supposedly it makes ivory soap is what it's called. And let's get into the video. So here we are. Let's do it. So we have a bar of soap plate, and here's the microwave. Let's open that up. Let's put the soap in the microwave. Let's close it. So let's put 2 minutes on. Nothing is happening, so let's just take it out, let it cool down. It's very watery, that's what I'm looking, supposedly. Oh, it's hot, very hot. So, hey guys, we've let this cool down for about 5 minutes now so I can touch it. My whole kitchen smells like soap and like the hotel soap. And so, now that we're feeling it, it's like stuck on here weirdly. I don't know. Very hot still, and some on the plate. It's very like a gross, burnt, soapy smell. Definitely suggest doing this at home because of how burnt, gross soap smell it does. And it goes everywhere. It's very hot. I'm gonna get a fork. Okay, now that we can really do all this, it's very, 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 I don't know how to explain it, charry? I don't know, it's like very weird. It's like wax. It feels like wax. Probably does have some wax in it, but very weird texture. So I would say very cool to do, but let's see what it does in water. Because I mean, soap usually gets very bubbly when you put it in water. And so let's see what happens. Put it in water. Okay, so now we are back, and we have, let's see what happens if we put this weird stuff in the water. It does not look very good. It looks very gross, like decomposing Rice Krispies, and is not very soapy at all. So I would not suggest doing this. Very, very gross. Okay, let's try another bar of soap. So we are gonna do another bar of soap. So it's another bar of hotel soap, but it smells a lot different. So hopefully we get a different result because of what's ever inside it. And here is the bar of soap. And let's get to it. Wait, let's do one thing. Right in the center. Let's speed the video up. Now. Whoa, that's weird. Let's see what that looks like. Let's sit around. I want to go in the position because it's good. There. That looks sort of weird. Okay, that's not getting any bigger. It just looks gross. Very gross. So let's just, whoa, never mind. Like, spewing stuff out. Oh gosh. It smells terrible though. So okay, so hey guys, it's probably been 20 minutes now, and this stuff, I ran it under some water, but it stinks. I mean, it stunk the whole house up, and it does not look good. Oh, it stinks again. Oh gosh, I gotta rinse it under some water. Okay, this stuff just stinks so bad. I cannot use it. Let's just say this is an experiment failed, and please like, subscribe,